Greeting to my respected lecturer, Mr. Faris, and all my friends. My name is Vinisha Povanandiran. The purpose I'm doing this video for my assignment of English Technology 1. The title given is to compare how Malaysia and United States of America control curve the COVID-19 pandemic. First and foremost, COVID-19 is a disease that most talk about in the world. COVID-19, also known as the novel coronavirus, is ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019. The outbreak was first identified in Wuhan, China on December 2019. This virus spread to 213 countries. The first case of COVID-19 in Malaysia was detected on 24th January 2020 and in USA on 20th January 2020. Every day appear new cases. The total worldwide COVID-19 cases are reached to 10 million plus. In this case, total COVID-19 cases in Malaysia currently is 7,000 plus and USA 1 million plus. It shows that cases in Malaysia are much more lesser than USA. To avoid being infected, how Malaysia and USA will control COVID-19 pandemic? What the restriction and guidelines that Malaysia and USA given to the people during pandemic? To avoid being infected quickly, the Minister of Malaysia has been announced Malaysia Movement Control Order, which is MCO. There were some restrictions implemented by Malaysia government such as roadblocks to ensure the people are following the rules given by the government. In addition, the government said most of the business sector were closed. Then, people are not allowed to go out unless to buy groceries and emergency purposes, and only they allowed 1 or 2 persons to go out. Next, Malaysia do not go out after 7 p.m. night. They also said Malaysia should avoid crowds such as family gathering, religious activities, and etc. During the lockdown, people cannot travel to overseas and foreigners are not allowed to come to Malaysia. For those people who are obey the rules given by the government should give summons. Furthermore, the Health Minister of Malaysia also announced that people should always wear masks whenever they go out, wash hands frequently, take shower once come back home, do not touch your skin after touch an object, apply and bring sanitizer wherever go, and always remind about the social distance between people. Therefore, Malaysia government gives facilities for people such as students are allowed to have their online classes to continue their lessons. Government provides medical checkup in some villages and workplaces. Food and place to stay are provided for people who staying far from family and for poor pupils too. Reduce petrol prices. Government gives some money to people according to the sector and more. Moreover, Malaysia government also encouraged people to do indoor activities during quarantine. It was a good example of minister should do so that people do not break the chain of MCO. This is how Malaysia COVID-19 cases are less and have control curve the COVID-19 pandemic than USA. However, in USA, the president been so ignorant regarding about COVID-19 issues. The president of America was failed to caution Americans early about this virus and been not declare a proper lockdown in USA. The president was not encouraging people to wear masks, did not give them proper instructions and guidelines to fellow Americans. Therefore, it causes a huge amount of people get infected by COVID-19. Once the cases were getting higher, the USA government are giving guidelines to people. The guidelines are avoid discretionary, avoid social gathering, practice good hygiene, stay home if you are sick and get contact your medical provider and more. Moreover, they have a politic issues during pandemic. So from here, they are not paid attention serious on this COVID-19 pandemic. Now USA getting in danger of COVID-19 and they lost 100,000 plus people in death. In conclusion, Malaysia have high chances to get overcome from COVID-19 pandemic than USA. Malaysia government takes quick adjustment and action on this pandemic than USA. Lastly, I would like to tell to fellow friends, please stay safe and stay home. Make sure follow the government control order. Always update yourself on current news to be alert and protect yourself. Thank you.